Welcome to Hidden Psyche Secrets, where we explore the fascinating depths of your mind and the hidden reasons behind your everyday habits. Have you ever felt a sudden, overwhelming urge to organize your surroundings when your life feels completely out of your control? Today we are diving deep into the psychology of cleanliness to understand why organizing is about much more than just hygiene. It turns out that a tidy home is actually a mirror reflecting our deep psychological need for structure and predictable order. When the world outside feels chaotic and unpredictable, our brain instinctively seeks reassuring your subconscious mind that despite the uncertainty elsewhere, this space remains under command. Beyond simple psychology, there is a powerful biological reaction happening inside your brain every time you complete a small cleaning task. Simple acts like making your bed in the morning trigger a release of dopamine, the reward chemical that boosts your mood. Conversely, a cluttered environment spikes cortisol levels, the stress hormone that keeps your body in a constant state of low-grade fight. Neuroscientists explain that clutter acts as visual noise, constantly overstimulating your senses and draining your cognitive resources without you realizing it. For highly sensitive people, a clean space is not just a preference, it is a necessary sanctuary for their mental health. An organized room signals safety to the primal brain, allowing your nervous system to finally switch off from its alert mode. Piles of laundry or unwashed dishes often represent unfinished business, creating a subconscious burden that weighs heavily on your peace of mind. Clearing these piles resolves those open loops, quieting the mental chatter and allowing true relaxation to enter your physical living space. Perhaps the most profound psychological aspect of cleaning is that you are actively processing your personal history. However, releasing these items allows you to rewrite your internal narrative and create space for who you are becoming right now. Ultimately, maintaining a tidy home is a profound form of self-care that is often overlooked in our busy modern lives today. It is a way of showing respect to your future self, ensuring that you wake up to peace rather than chaos. We have learned that cleaning provides essential control when life gets tough, anchoring us in a storm of unpredictability and stress. We explored how the act of letting go is a powerful tool for personal growth and redefining our own identity. So the next time you feel the urge to scrub the floor or organize a drawer, do not judge yourself harshly. Embrace the process as a therapeutic session that is healing your mind just as much as it is cleaning your home. Your external environment is often a direct reflection of your internal state, and changing one can powerfully influence the other immediately. Start with small tasks today to reclaim your space, because a clear space truly leads to a clearer and sharper mind. Watch as the physical transformation of your room begins to lift the heavy mental fog that has been clouding your thoughts. Feel the cortisol levels drop and the sense of serenity return as you reclaim dominion over your personal living sanctuary. This clarity will ripple out into other areas of your life, improving your focus, your mood, and your overall well-being. Cleaning is not a chore to be dreaded, but a ritual of restoration that brings you back to your center. Which part of cleaning gives you the most satisfaction? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching Hidden Psyche Secrets. Remember to keep your space tidy and your mind clear. See you next time.